we got a young powder coating day today. We getting some stuff done. We just did a desert graphite. I don't know if y'all can see that, but hold on, let me see if I can get it to focus right. We just did a desert graphite powder coat on the washer arms, the wiper arms. Turned out good too. Yeah, that's how we do it. Look, old school, middle school, new school, all muscle, all muscle. So for those of you that know, you know. Leave it down in the comments what type of cover pan that is. You let us know. It's a straight work day. We in here working today, boy. Look at this.
That fuel rail gonna be nasty.
Woo, that fuel rail about to be nasty. We got the garage all toe up today.
Sorry, ISR Performance, but we had to change that color.
Hey.
Can't go with it.
Hey, that's our performance understand. They know what time it is. They know we got to make it ours. Yeah. We got to make it our own. Yep. So, yeah. We got the Eastwood out here. We getting busy. I'm telling we powder coat our own stuff, right?
Yep. We do our own work.
We ain't taking it nowhere else for nobody else to do it, and we can do it all in-house. You see what time it is? Wait, let me zoom in for you so you can... Oh, another thing. So I just got done powder coating the tips of my lug nuts a performance red, right? I'll show you what the actual lugs themselves look like. Thank you, sir. All right. So, this is what we're dealing with. I decided to change it up a little bit. We got the silver base part for the lug with the red tip. I'm gonna show you what I got on there now. And I love these. I'm not gonna lie, I love them, but they starting to chip from being on here for a while. So, you know what time it is. Oh, I'm in the cookie jar. Oh, yeah, baby. If you know, you know. Workstation. Gotta get that boy all taped up and prepped up so we can get busy with some powder. Powder time. Hey, bro, somebody told me you want to put some 454 big block stickers on your oh, I can't tell him what it is. Yeah, I can't tell him what we're working on, though, yeah. He said you want a big block 454, right? 7.4 liter?
Right in the skyline, Right, line them up. Line them up, sir. Line them up.
There's
no proper way for me to put this since we have it on an angle.
Come from the other side. Get a nice little. There we go. Desert graphite.
Thank you, ISR Performance, and thank you for spending by.
Every good powder coater, I don't care how well you think that you can see. I don't care how well you think you can see. You always got to come behind your stuff with a flashlight. See? I see a little part right there on the edge part that needs to be touched up. Always check your work, man. Always check your work. I don't care how raw you think you are, how sick you think you are. You can always make a mistake. And it's no fun having to come back around and do this again. Trust me. It's a lot of prep work that go into this. So the only part I see that we need to touch up is right on that edge. Right there. And there it is. All right. Let's go. Mm-hmm. All right. So after a long day of powder coating, we have finally completed the desert graphite. This is the valve covers, and as you seen earlier, we did the wiper arms and what else we do?
Front cover.
The front cover.
Which will be right here.
We got the front cover right here. Oh my goodness, look at that! Come on, y'all. I mean, let's be honest. Look. Now, don't y'all go copying it either. Matter of fact, it ain't desert graphite. It's
Barney purple.
Barney purple. Barney purple. Matte Barney purple. There you go. All right. Just had to show y'all the work that we did. Another day completed. A.K.O.M.